First, move the print head to the leftmost area. Turn off the power. Operate safely. Prepare a cup of hot water 40–60 degrees Celsius. Not too high. Pour the water into the ink pad just to cover it. Then prepare a syringe. Find the corresponding tube. And use the syringe to suck out the residual dry ink in it. If the ink pad has not been cleaned for too long, this step can also be done twice. Okay, let's move on to the second step. Clean the dry ink around the ink pad. Prepare hot water. Temperature also 40–60 degrees Celsius. Wipe the residual ink around and wipe the residue with a paper towel. Step 3. Prepare cotton swabs and DTF cleaning fluid. After the print head prints, there will often be residual ink attached to it, and the ink will affect the printing effect after it dries. After these steps of cleaning, the print head will be able to restore its best performance. But don't rush, there is one last step. Prepare lint-free cloth and printer-specific lubricant to wipe the slide rail. Because the printer will usually accumulate some dust inside after running for too long, which will affect the smooth movement of the print head slide. Okay, all the steps are completed. The printing effect will be restored to its original state. Let's start printing journey.